Delegates and events enable dynamic behavior in your apps. Delegates are type-safe references to methods, while events provide the publish-subscribe mechanism where objects notify subscribers when something happens. Delegates are declared like this and are used by assigning methods, and then you can just invoke the method. Events are declared like this, providing a safer, more controlled notification mechanism. You can subscribe to events by using the plus sign, and multiple handlers can subscribe to the same event. You can also trigger events safely by using the question mark, where the null conditional operator prevents errors if no subscribers exist. Use delegates for callbacks where you pass methods as parameters. Use events for notifications like UI updates or state changes where objects need to signal others without tight coupling.